Wednesday, September 7, and this is today's harvest of yard-long beans. I thought it would be dwindling, but instead of slowing down, my yard-long beans seems to be picking up on putting out some more fruit. As you can see, that's this early morning's harvest of my yard-long beans. I'm definitely going to grow this again next year because this will ensure good harvest for a good long while. My little garden helpers are back, and this is Clarissa helping me in a greenhouse. My other two grandchildren are outside doing their stuff, gathering some seeds for next year, and Clarissa is helping me water some plants inside the greenhouse. I'm getting ready to plant the cherry tomatoes there. I'm going to try to plant cherry tomato this winter in that area there and see how it's going to manage during the winter. Oops, sorry. And over here, I will also be planting that tomato right there in that area. And I'm going to try to put some of this brassicas outside in the hoop house and outside garden. And it is the first time I ever tried to plant parsnip, and as you can see, there's nothing there. I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to parsnip, but I tried to put some seeds there, and soon as something comes up, I will give an update of that. And for now, I do have some seedlings that needs attention. And here are my potatoes for the winter. They finally emerged. I'm hoping to grow some potato in the greenhouse, and hopefully during this winter I'll be able to harvest some. And I have something very interesting happening, which well, this is the first time I ever planted purple yam. You can see the vines are purple, and it's doing something I have never seen my yam ever did. Look at that. To me, those looks like aerial tubers right there. I can't pronounce the word bulbil or something, but they look to me as aerial tubers, and I'm hoping that they are, because otherwise I will. Oh, hello. My granddaughter is watching me videoing things, and I'm not even aware of it. But I noticed that my purple yam are, there she goes, growing some kind of growth there, and to me they are they are what's known as aerial tuber. Okay. Oh. Oops, I can't even. Let me see, Mama. That's a lot of seeds. Is there any more brown ones? If they turn brown.
A couple more.
Okay, gather as much as you can. Okay. My granddaughter is helping me gather some basil seeds for next year. And I have my crew again trying to helping me in the garden. Okay, so you got everything watered, Mama? Okay, that's good. And this is the avocado that we are going to overwinter here. This is the avocado my husband really was very hesitant on pruning, but I guess to keep it in the greenhouse, it's a lot better if you prune it, because it will kind of stay dormant for the winter and no need for it to be too tall. So as you can see, my daikon radishes need some thinning out. So what I'm doing is I'm picking the best looking ones with the best leaves and getting rid of some that are, that's a good one. I look for something that's a little less healthy. This one might, I hate doing this, but as you can see, there's a lot of radishes in here, and if I were to try and keep them all, I wind up with nothing. So it's best to get rid of the weak looking seedlings, make room for the ones that are doing well, like this one here. Oh, that's actually have a very good big leaves there. Got all dirty.
To throw this in the trash?
Give that to the chicken, Mama. One of my crew, they're all here trying to help me out today again. And well, what I'm doing now for the winter and fall garden is thinning out some of my seedlings. And that row there, those are baby bok choys, and I have some daikon radish. Whoa. Daddy, you gonna leave the truck over there where it's at?
Perfect place to be.
You sure? Look at all them puddles around it already. Whoa. Ooh. Okay, time to close.